I know you think I'm Democrat lurking in the dark. This I'm the Kmart soda jerk, soda trash. I kept the stash of coca candy straight from Japan. Hologram and shoes of resin. Think you know what it is to get by.
Something for your mind. Something for your mind. Mind. Something for your mind.
Well, what we've got here is a nervy situation, I think. You know, that insurance of the last game, I don't know how much insurance that is. They need this point, and they didn't play in the last game like they looked like they could get a point from any game when they were beaten.
No, they didn't, and I'm sure a lot of work has gone in on the training ground. Just wasn't them last match in a season when they've been really consistent.
Manchester City's lineup today. Vincent Kompany starts alongside Nicola. The referee giving the player the benefit of the doubt about that, but he's given the free kick. Walker. Kevin De Bruyne. On to the attack now. Great interception. This could be it.
Looking for a through ball.
In on goal, Gareth Bale.
Well, what a start to the game that would have been for them, Alan. The first goal coming so early, but not quite.
Right. Well, he's kicking himself. He can't believe he's missed from so close in too.
Crisp defending there.
Good work, really, to read the intention of the pass.
Walker. Fernandinho. Nicolas Otamendi. Kevin De Bruyne.
Good play from Manchester City on the attack now.
Challenges for the ball.
On the move and able to cut out the pass. Gabriel Jesus.
Shots on here.
Real miscue here.
Well, we've seen with the ambitions of Gareth Bale wanting to leave the Premier League to go to Real Madrid, how they can charm even the great players to the Bernabeu and strut their stuff.
Yeah, I think it's the pinnacle of any player's ambition to pull on the famous white kit. And if you've got that on your CV, you've pretty much done it all.
Threads it through.
And he goes for the chip. And he's gone for the chip here. And the goalkeeper has read his mind.
Oh, he's tried to be too clever instead of putting his foot through it.
Gabriel Jesus.
It's Isco. They've got the ball in the middle of the pitch here. Here's Walker.
Anticipated the direction of the pass and was able to intervene.
And here come Real Madrid. And that's broken up by the defender before the cross could come in.
There's still danger here after this half clearance.
A throw in for Real Madrid. Here's Casemiro. Little piece of interplay between the two. Ronaldo.
Isco.
Nice piece of tackling here. And that's
Strong defending. Trying to catch the other team out with a quick break here.
Varane penalised here. Silva.
They could pose some danger now.
Navas makes the save here, an easy one.
I think he saw the look from the other player and saw where the pass was going and read it. Slipped through.
Here's Walker. Fernandinho.
It's De Bruyne with Raheem Sterling.
Here's Lucas Vazquez.
Gareth Bale. Well, this is a chance for Bale to show his speed going down the flanks.
Silva.
Just lent the ball to his mate and got it back again. He might be through with good vision. In with a chance. Trying to get the ball in behind. Super reflexes from the goalkeeper. Oh, that's great work by the goalkeeper. Gabriel, the shot's on! Great work by the goalkeeper. The ball is his and he's made sure he's protected it.
Kevin De Bruyne.
David Silva. How did he reach that? Brilliant goalkeeping.
Corner now for Manchester City. Real Madrid given the throw here. Carvajal.
Gareth Bale.
Came in with a challenge. Strong, fair challenge, pulls out for a throw though. Here's Casemiro.
Very good tackle.
Silva.
Good work, really, to read the intention of the pass.
Here's Lucas Vazquez.
Good defending.
Here's Sterling. Silva.
Getting the ball back and thinking attack straight away. Put through, Raheem Sterling. Got the Sterling. And safely behind for a goal kick.
The save of top-class quality, really.
He's in the right place, wasn't he?
He's on the move all the time and makes lots of these interceptions.
Now Fernandinho. He can lay it off to the supporting player. Now Casemiro.
Up goes the board. There'll be 2 added minutes.
A minimum of 2 minutes of added time.
Kevin De Bruyne. So it's half-time and we're still waiting.
Stumbling through the garden, I see your design in your empty room. Now the seduction gets old, symmetry looks good on you. Oh, you got everything you want.
It's Manchester City to start this second half. Fabian Delph. Attacking now. Kevin De Bruyne. Here's David Silva.
It's Delph. Yaya Toure. Shot on! Brilliant the extent of his reach to make that very fine stop.
Manchester City get a corner.
Slipping it through. And here they are, Real on the attack again.
Fabian Delph. Kevin De Bruyne.
Aguero. Return to De Bruyne. And he's got the ball away from him with the tackle.
Kevin De Bruyne.
It's Aguero.
Silva.
De Bruyne. On to David Silva. To put them in front. In really for what seemed a certain opening goal.
Oh dear, I think it's one of those that might play on his mind now for the rest of the match.
Gareth Bale. On to the attack now. Cross from Gareth Bale. Good header back into the danger area. Here's Sterling. Toure.
Carvajal. It's Isco.
That's going to be a free kick. They spread it out wide here. Chance to get some width into this attack. There's a target at the front post. It's a good lead, but the header too high.
Yeah, unlucky. Give him another chance. I think he'll tuck that away.
Silva. Kevin De Bruyne.
Fabian Delph. Moving forward with some danger to the opposition now they're here. Well, they keep moving the ball here. And they've cut it out. And maybe the counter-attack is on here. This is how they love to play on the break. Ronaldo! No, it's offside. And it looks as though they might be in to score.
Oh, they thought they'd scored there. I did as well. What a terrific save from the goalkeeper, though, to keep it goalless.
Kevin De Bruyne.
Now they've got a chance in this part of the pitch. Aguero. Shots on here. And it's a goal here.
Well, possibly in the minds of the players, the fact that there are more games to come means that they're not actually fazed too much by this, but their target was to get 1 point today, but now they're losing.
Yeah, and if they do lose it and they waste this opportunity, all of a sudden a bit of doubt creeps into their minds as to whether they can go on and do it. So now is better than later.
Manchester City in front.
Number 10, Luka Modric. Goal for Manchester City. Number 10.
Played down the wing, keeping the wide attack going.
Silva.
Have a little back heel.
Silva.
Could be dangerous. It's Aguero. Aguero! High-class goalkeeping from Keylor Navas.
His goalkeeping coach will be delighted with that.
A low ball into the box. Kyle Walker. The shot's off. Goalkeeper hangs on. And the referee's given the free kick. Marcelo. Now it goes into the wider areas where they've got a winger waiting. Walker.
Kevin De Bruyne.
Manchester City are on the attack now. Fabian Delph. Supporting player alongside. He'll need to try and get the ball back now. Gareth Bale's often used the wide areas to great effect. Bale! And that is quite a wild effort at goal, although he got good contact on the ball.
Kevin De Bruyne.
Played forward, a bit of menace. And Manchester City have a free kick now. Leroy Sané. One in front, they would be a lot more comfortable if they were two in front. And they really could have been.
Yeah, might they look back on that with a bit of regret, because that was a great chance to extend the lead, wasn't it?
We still could be witnessing a promotion achievement here, but they've got to score in the time that remains. And they have got these other games, whether that's, going to just be in the back of their minds thinking there is some insurance elsewhere.
Well, their fans are trying to get behind them for a late push to get the point and the goal.
Needs to stay cool now.
Here's Cristiano Ronaldo. It's noticeable that the home supporters are trying to help the team in this situation. They're encouraged by the lead, but they're fearful perhaps that this team might lose it.
Well, they won't want to give anything silly away. The opposition are chasing the ball, trying to get it back and trying to get back into this match.
Here's David Silva.
That's great defending there, stopping that attack.
Able to cut that out with some sharp movement. Gets the ball again, Yaya Toure.
Oh, he's the hub of this team today.
Modric. He's coming forward with some danger. And now the shot! Bring them level. Very good stop here. I wonder whether the goalkeeper can get his head to this corner.
Ronaldo! Oh, the header looked in for all the world. The goalkeeper somehow was able to keep it from crossing the line.
Well, he can't believe it. The striker, it's head in hands for him. But the goalkeeper, no wonder he's getting pats on the back.
Well, here they come again, trying to get back into the match. Shots on here. And the goalkeeper has done well to stop that one.
Free kick against Modric.
Fabian Delph. It's finished here.
Well, they...
Somos los dueños de nada, los que no aparecen en los cuentos de hadas. El palacio de los sueños lo hacemos con lodo. No tenemos nada, pero lo tenemos todo. Cuando te faltan cosas, te inventas algo. Si no hay caballo con una carretilla, cabalgo. No las ingeniamos desde la matriz, como los cangrejos que respiran sin tener nariz. Hacemos maravilla con lo que cae del cielo. Lo enfriamos en el fondo del río si no hay hielo. Y nos sentimos como los reyes de Castilla. Le sacamos brillo a lo que no brilla. Sin balas, preparados para la guerra. Aprendimos a sembrar sin tierra. De calidad pero barato. Como bailadores de academia, pero sin zapatos.
Well, we're looking at a team that had a chance to get themselves promoted in the last game, and they lost that game. And how is that going to affect their self-belief, as they still need the 1 point from this final game of the season?
Well, the wheels came off in that last game, and I'll be hoping that...
Very straightforward piece of goalkeeping as he catches the cross.
This is the Real Madrid lineup. Keylor Navas in goal.
Ronaldo! Oh, nowhere near.
No, he's miscued that one. Miscued it badly.
Now Casemiro.
I like the look of this attack.
Here's Douglas Costa.
Well, maybe the counter-attack is on here.
Juventus still on the ball thanks to the referee. It could have been a foul, but he chose to let them go, and they're still going.
He's got his shot off now. And the goalkeeper plunged to make the save. Khedira. And here's the shot. Good block. Getting into attacking positions here, Juventus. Cut out by the defender. Khedira. Wasteful pass, unforced error, really. Here's Cristiano Ronaldo. There's some potential in this move. Douglas Costa, return pass. Matuidi. Stopped emphatically and just as well. The approach play looked very encouraging. Still such a danger with the ball at his feet, Cristiano Ronaldo. Very good distance to the clearance. Isco. He's had a go here. That is a fantastic goal. Well, they're winning, and they only need to draw to get promotion, so it's all going according to plan.
Well, the last thing that they would want to do is relax. I'm sure they won't, because they have got some older heads in there. Just got to see the job through now.
And that is exactly where he would have loved to have put it. Maybe it was a bit fortunate it flew up there from his point of view, but it was exactly the right spot.
One word, Martin, unstoppable.
Real Madrid with the lead. Lost his marker cleverly. This could lead to a chance. It's good attacking play. It's not... Lucas Vazquez! And the referee says, that's a free kick. Miralem Pjanic. Bale. Moving forward with some danger to the opposition now they're here. Bale! Well, they've all gone to the defender to say well done, but I think the guy who had the chance really should have scored.
Well, he had the chance to get his shot away, even though he had to take it quickly. Should have done better.
And shoots! Hit the post! Here comes the cross. It's from Luke. Goalkeepers love to be busy, and he's certainly busy at the moment. The frame of the goal helping him out. And now at least he can settle his team down and get the ball upfield.
Well, if you hit the postal bar, you've not hit the target. Although they did in the second one, it was too easy for the keeper.
And across comes Sergio Ramos. And the referee's given the free kick. Sergio Ramos. Marcelo. Sergio Ramos. They spread it out wide here. Chance to get some width into this attack. Intercepted well. Pjanic. Higuain. That's great defending there, stopping that attack. Juventus have the ball. Khedira. Here's Douglas Costa. Bale. Lucas Vazquez. Good defending. Miralem Pjanic. Good football between these two. Nice passing. And there is some backup for him in this position. Crowd groaning, really, those who are backing him to maybe get one of the goals of his life. I don't think he'll ever score from that distance.
Well, I think his manager might just have a little word with him at the end of this match.
Well, now they've won the ball back in the middle of the park by intercepting that pass. Sami Khedira. Well, they're in a good position here. Gonzalo Higuain. In with a chance. The goalkeeper plunged to make the save. Oh, it's a corner now for Juventus. Dybala with the corner. Cleared away by the defender. He'll need to try and get the ball back now. Dybala. Khedira. Pjanic. Shots on here. Well, he's taken a touch there off the defender. It will be a corner. Good defensive clearance there. Could be a chance here. They've got the ball into a good area. On to Ronaldo. Striding forward, purposefully. Stopped emphatically and just as well. The approach play looked very encouraging.
Here's Douglas Costa.
Well, he's got support here. Lovely, incisive pass. Surely, the equaliser. That's a very good goal.
Well, they had the lead, and that was great for them. Remember, they still only need a draw to get promotion, but they'll be feeling the pressure now.
Yeah, I mean, the next 10 minutes are vitally important to me. They've just got to try and get hold of the ball. Keep it and take the heat out of the situation.
Now Casemiro.
They'll need to try and get the ball back now.
Douglas Costa.
A good chunk of added time here, 3 minutes. Just read the intentions of the opposition there to make the interception.
Higuain. Matuidi.
Pjanic. Shot on! Juventus get the corner. It's in from Dybala. But it's rather skewed off his head in the end.
Yeah, he didn't catch it properly. I think he probably closed his eyes there.
Higuain on the attack. Maybe just kicked it a little bit there, and well, the referee.
Crowd settling back down here in the Santiago Bernabeu Stadium.
That's slick and quick from Juventus.
Matuidi. Higuain.
The shot's on! And the referee's given a corner to Juventus. Corner played in. Oh, that's good defending.
Matuidi. In quickly. Lucas Vázquez.
They can be quick on the break now. Bale. Now Bale crosses it. Put away, but not out of harm's way.
I think that's a good performance, isn't it, Alan, from him in the first half?
Well, really good late equalising goal, and that might just change the manager's team talk now.
Toni Kroos, that's a foul. Matuidi.
Anticipated the direction of the pass and was able to intervene. Coming on strong, and looking to play their way through now. Neatly intercepted.
Sami Khedira.
I think he saw the look from the other player and saw where the pass was going and read it. Isco.
Sami Khedira. Matuidi.
They've lost the ball and the counter-attack could be there.
Past his man.
And here's the shot.
Navas makes the save here, an easy one.
Little headed pass then, and a shrewd one. Good work, really, to read the intention of the pass. He's got his shot off now.
Juventus have won a corner now.
Not able to take full advantage of a good position. Douglas Costa, and shoots! No way through, says Navas with a save.
And might well he smile after that one.
Well, that's all they can do at the moment, concede the corners.
And in it goes. Khedira! It's all good for the goalkeeper. He plays safe, tipping it over. Got to get it over the first man defending, and they haven't done that from the corner.
He went in well. Bale. Cristiano Ronaldo. Well, it was a foul, and he's given the free kick. Have we got a situation here, Alan, where the home team are happy with the draw? The away fans getting a bit restless now, aren't they? They think there's a bit of time wasting going on here.
Well, I think they're the better team on paper at least. It hasn't quite worked out that way in this match, but still time for them.
Cristiano Ronaldo! Well, it looked a bad miss, but I think the defender just put him off.
Yeah, he's got to take a lot of credit for that, because he had to take the shot quickly, the lad who was trying to score.
Good interception.
Well, I like the look of this attack.
Disappointed with that touch. On to Ronaldo. That will be a free kick against Pjanic. Club from the Spanish capital. The Real Madrid fans expect a capital performance today.
Yeah, anybody pulls on the famous all-white kit has to live up to the expectations of these fans.
Here's Casemiro.
Just read the intentions of the opposition there to make the interception.
And now they've got the chance to push forward from this deepish position. Matuidi. Higuain.
Dybala back with Higuain. The player's a bit unhappy about this, but we can see it again, whether it should have been offside or not. It was called offside.
Well, who'd be a linesman, but this linesman, he's one of the best, and he gets it right here.
Marcelo.
This could lead to a chance. It's good attacking play. Typical Ronaldo. Shots on here. And the goalkeeper plunged to make the save. Corner. And here's a possibility of making a chance to go in front. In from Kroos. It's not really away. Poor clearance.
In comes the challenge.
Sergio Ramos. Toni Kroos. Not really away from Ronaldo! He scored!
Well, that gives them some margin for error now. A draw would be enough, but they're leading.
Well, it's a fantastic situation. It's just about composure now and making sure they don't go back into the shells and invite pressure on.
Well, they were caught out here by this quick counter-attack against the run of play.
Yeah, I mean, they had to stick together there and come under a lot of pressure, but with the pace in the team, that was always likely.
Juventus are trailing now. Here's a chance to attack. Stopping the pass getting through with a good piece of anticipation.
Dybala. And here's the shot.
And it's back for a corner again.
Well, the player's broken down now. The shot's on! Not far away at all.
Well, if they keep creating chances, I'm sure they'll take one. That was a decent effort, you know.
It's been a thrilling contest, this.
And we're into the last knockings of it. And the supporters, well, they're not showing any sign of losing their stamina. They've been great.
Yeah, always love coming to this ground.
And now the shot! Well, he's tried for his second goal of the game. Keeper's got the better of him this time.
Well, you thought there was only one winner there, but in the end it was the keeper that came forward and did the business.
Matuidi. There's some potential in this move. Bar a complete change in fortune in this game.
Shot on! Excellent work from the keeper. Still pressing for this equalising goal. They forced the corner. In goes the corner. Good defensive clearance there. Getting the ball back and thinking attack straight away. Trying to find an opening on this counter-attack. He's well picked out. A goal!
Well, this is nearly job done now for promotion. They only needed a draw, but look at this lead. The thrill of the moment is etched all over the manager's face.
Well, you can almost say they can relax now. They've done the hard work, and it's just a matter of making no mistakes from here on in.
Well, it's just a footnote to the match, really. It confirms the win.
Yeah, I think the goal scorer will be pleased. Another one for his tally late on the match here.
Referee's had a good look and decided, from what he's seen from this period of play, to add on 3 minutes.
Higuain! Here's a chance, goalkeeper exposed.
Matuidi.
He's got his shot off now. He blocked it then.
Pjanic.
And shoots! Hit it hard.
And the referee has ended it here.
Very good distance to the clearance. Isco. He's had a go.